Hello, my friends. Guess what? A new month means a new stamp and die set. And look at how adorable this is. And you know what? This isn't even a card. Sheila gave me this cute little note with her design team shipments that says, Stephanie, have a wonderful week and keep smiling. You are beautiful, Sheila, with this gorgeous, gorgeous flower on it. Why am I showing you this? Because it is our newest stamp and die set. Here we go, Stamp Club members. Look at this. It's called Lavish Long Stems because look at how beautiful. You guys have no idea how much fun this was to design. Here we go. Thinking of you. Thanks. Really small. I'm sorry. You got this. Embrace the beauty of today. You are beautiful and dream big. Now, before I say anything else, you must go look at the add-on sets because there's one more flower I really want you to see. And you know how I always talk about you want 3 or 1 or 5 because you always want an odd number. Well, I couldn't fit 3 on here, so that's the other set. But look at this. Now, you're also getting a mini stamp, a little tiny flower in there so you can add it to the back where you put your personalized stamp. Now, Stamp Club members, this is getting sent to you automatically. Ken gets up extra early and gets them into the mail to you ASAP so it can get in that mail system and as soon as possible get to your house. But if you're not a Stamp Club member, maybe you're a die-hard club member, you get the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Now, the dies that match, cute, right? Really awesome. We got the big flowers with the shadow. We give you 2 dies for each image so that way you can cut out it with a shadow or without. And we also gave you this extra little word here, hello. I fit it on there. I managed to get it in there because I know these dies are really, really big, but I wanted to give you 2 more, so I give you the hello with the shadow. So fun. Now, Die Hard and Stamp Club members, you also get the cute little postcard that gives you some ideas, but also go to our gallery. We have tons of ideas on in our gallery. Like we're talking 30,000 total. All organized. You go to this stamp set on the website, click View Gallery, and you can see all the items showing these products. Now, let me show you my samples. And our design team, we give them like the little rules. Okay, you have to do this mini, blah, blah, blah. Well, let me just tell you, I know they love this one because they did way more than they were supposed to on this one. And that always makes me smile when I see extra ones because it's like they couldn't stop, so they just keep making them. And I love that. Now, the fun thing about this set is it's a little different. It's a lot larger than normal. Sometimes I do smaller ones, sometimes I do larger ones. This one is kind of what I would consider a large image set, right? Because it's got big images on there. The fun part though is you can do them on all different size cards. Here's an example of a card, mini slimline. Oh, that one's too pretty. I gotta show that one later. Oh, but here it is on an A2, right? And then here we have it just in the background. There's so many, you guys, this is so versatile. Hang on, let's just look at each one individually. So here we go, mini slimline, be brave. Ooh, this is a little sneak peek for the next video, that little be brave sign. Here we have these beautiful flowers, love them. Now you can color these any which way you want. I mean, heck, use crayons. You can use anything you want. I technically use most of the time my tri-blend markers, but you can use anything. Here we are, you are beautiful. If you don't want to color, die cut it out of colored cardstock. Done, right? You are beautiful. Look at those gorgeous flowers on an A2. Here's another A2 using the masking technique that I showed you in one of our videos. Look at how gorgeous that is. The orange flowers in the front. Stamp, stamp. Look at how beautiful. Just the grass and the little flowers down here. Oh, they're so cute. Ooh, here's another sneak peek. Are you ready for another sneak peek for the next video? Ooh, look at that background. What? Okay, here we go. Embrace the beauty of today. 2 beautiful flowers on a background ready to go. Enjoy every moment. Oh, look at this one. I love this. This one is also using our hot chocolate stamp and dies, using that mug, and those flowers are bursting out of that mug. Don't you just love that? Be brave. Oh, and even stamped on the inside. God has a plan. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Here's another one. Ding, ding, ding. Look at this. I love this on a slim line. Look at this on a slim line. So you guys, so many different options on size of cards. It doesn't even, you can do it on all of them, right? Fit beautifully on there. Now, oh, this is the one. Oh, I love this one. With the background, I just love that the stamped images are all in the background, making your own background paper. It's so fun to just stamp and then go in front of the TV and just color in any of your favorite mediums, colored pencils, watercolors, any way you want. and just relax, right? And so that is the perfect example of making your own background paper. So beautiful. Look at the inside. Oh, I love that. Then we have this. And I like this for the simplicity of it. And I know sometimes we don't have time to do a whole bunch. We don't have time to color a whole bunch. We don't have time. Sometimes we just need a card ASAP, right? Sheila made these. And here we go. Stunningly beautiful. Very minimal coloring, right? Flower is still white. Keep it a daisy. Just a little bit of green and a little bit of yellow. And boom. Mat it and put it on. So this is the dot stitch rectangles, a little flower hanging off the edge, but in the same sense, exact same technique, just different shape on the front. Different shape, circle, rectangle. It's the only difference. So simple, just by changing the inside shape here, circle, rectangle, you get the same look, but 100% different. Isn't that fantastic? Imagine making a set of these of like maybe 8 or 10 or 12 and giving that as a gift to a friend that does not make cards. And then they can write the cards and send them away. Beautiful, beautiful idea, right? Whew. Stamp Club members, Die Hard Club members, you get to sit back, kick back, relax, go check out the other items that coordinate with this, and you know these are automatically sent to you. You don't have to worry. If you are not in the Stamp and Die Hard Club, you're going to want to get in, right? The Stamp Club starts at only $13.99 a month, and that includes the stamp set and the 15% discount off of our website every single day, every single item, every single order. How do we do that? Sometimes I wonder. But it doesn't matter. $13.99, it gets sent to your door. You get the club benefits, you get the club discount. Now, I know a lot of you are saying, yeah, Stephanie, that sounds great. But you know what? I don't want to cut those out. That's why we have the Die Hard Club. The Die Hard Club is our most popular club, by far the most popular club that we have at the Stamps of Life. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch that video. It will explain and it will show you all the clubs and all the options and all the different fun ways that you can be a part of this awesome family. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.